Welcome to Dr. J MicroLearning, where smart learning happens one micro at a time.
Ever followed instructions that made zero sense? You're not alone. Let's fix that with 3 quick tips for writing clear, effective instructions. Tip 1. Use action verbs. Say, click the button, not the button should be clicked. Say, enter your email, not your email should be entered. Say, drag the image into the box, not the image is to be dragged. Be direct. Be confident. Tip 2. Keep steps short and sequential. Break tasks into bite-sized actions. For example, step 1, open the app. Step 2, tap Settings. Step 3, select Notifications. Tip 3. Use visuals. Imagine trying to follow this. Navigate to the Settings menu. Scroll down and locate the tab labeled Notifications. Next, locate the App Notifications. Then locate the Docs tab and toggle the switch on the right. Sounds messy, right? Now look at this, just a screenshot with a highlighted switch. Isn't that easier to understand? A simple visual can save paragraphs of explanation. Clear instructions save time, reduce frustration, and help your audience succeed. Whether you're writing for users, students, or coworkers, clarity is your superpower. Write smart. Communicate better. Make it easy.